Hello students, in this video we have to find the radian measure of this given degree measure. So this degree measure is given and we have to convert this degree measure into the radian. This is the question. Okay. So you know few formulas here, few things you know. What you know? You know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This you know. And another relation you know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So we will use this relation in this question. Okay. So now going to solve this question. Okay, step by step. So this is our question, minus 47 degree 30 minute. So first I have to convert this minute, this 30 minute into degree. Okay. So you know, since 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, correct? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes or 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So 1 minute will be 1 upon 60 degree. Okay. And in the same way I can say 30 minute is equal to 30 upon 60, correct? 30 into 1 upon 60 degree. Okay. So this will be 1 upon 2 degree, correct? 1 upon 2 degree. Okay. So we'll use this here. So minus 47 plus 30 upon 60, and this minute got converted into degree. Okay. So minus 47 and 30 upon 60 is nothing but half degree. Okay. After cancellation, so when you will calculate this by taking LCM as 2, then 94, 47 into 2, 94 plus 1, 95 upon 2 degree you will get, minus 95 upon 2 degree. So this minute I converted in degree. Okay. Now this degree measure I have to convert in radian measure. Okay. So since we know, since 180 degree is equal to pi radian, correct? This relation we know. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. Okay. So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 radian. So minus 95 upon 2, minus 95 upon 2 degree. 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180, correct? 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180. So 95 upon 2 degree will be 95 upon 2 into pi upon 180 radian. Okay. So this we got. Now if some cancellation is there, I will cancel, like this 19 into 5, 95, and this 36 into 5. So I will get numerator as minus 19 pi and denominator as 2 into 36. 2 into 36, that is 72 radian. Okay, radian. So this will be our answer. So we converted this degree measure into radian. So answer is minus 19 pi upon 72 radian. So I hope you understood the question. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for